Hello people, just Graham Keith here from The Great Wake Up. I've got some really disturbing and distressing footage and it should make you extremely angry. What I'm going to do, I'm going to link the original video in the comments of this video so you can see the uninterrupted, unemotionally, I get pretty emotional during this. And you'll see why when you watch it. Now imagine you've been stabbed 5 times by a Sikh with a Kirpan knife on his driveway, right? You are literally lying there, bleeding internally, filling up your lungs with blood, gasping for breath and knowing that you are dying. Kier, Starmer's criminal police, well, they're not police, they're fucking scumbags and they need fucking sacking, jailing and the whole, the possibility of them ever doing this shit again needs to be zero. And if not, we need to take this into our own hands. We're fucking pathetic as a species, the UK citizens. Well, not citizens, they're the debt slaves, but the UK people. What is wrong with you lot? What the fuck is wrong with you lot? Drop your fear, forget your fucking mortgage, forget your fucking bills. The same people who are rinsing you dry and fleecing your pockets and making it hardly impossible for you to survive are the same wankers behind this. The government. So speak out, grow some balls. This could have been your child. He's been stabbed 5 times. He's got a black shirt on. Okay. So the police might not have seen the blood. The guy hasn't fucking moved. He can't stand up. He can barely breathe. You can hear it in the way he's speaking. Did you check his jaw where he stabbed him in the face? Absolutely fucking scandalous. Anyway, here's the footage, guys. Please be warned, it's severely, severely distressing. What's more distressing is we have these fucking idiots, absolute fucking subhuman pieces of shit called police who have no fucking brains whatsoever. They're trained to be lefty fuck-ups, and that's exactly what they are. And they need jailing for life for accessory to murder because that's exactly what they did. And the footage shows this. If you didn't believe Henry was stabbed, why didn't you check him and prove him wrong? And then throw the fucking book at him. But no, you didn't, did you? Hampshire Constabulary. Hampshire on licence from the council, fraudulent criminal police service? I don't fucking think so. Believe you me, there are many millions, 40 million people in the UK. Listen, if we all weren't so timid, we'd fucking take you all by the throats and drag you out the buildings that you call your police buildings. You're absolutely fucking disgusting, the lot of you. The warning with the footage is coming up. I must warn you, it's severely, severely bad. And if you want to watch, please continue. It's going to play right now. And I'll come back with a little something to say after the footage is played. So as you see, folks, you've seen it all for yourself. Now, what I want to ask you, if you were a police officer in this exact incident and somebody had told you, I've been stabbed, and they repeatedly kept telling you they'd been stabbed through a gasp of breath, through no life, lying on the floor continually whilst you were present there, which indicates if he wasn't stabbed, he could have got up, right? But why didn't they check? Why didn't they look on his face? You could see he was stabbed in the face, even though he had a black T-shirt on. The pathologist said that it was hard to identify the killing wound, the actual wound that killed him. But if he'd have lifted the T-shirt up, you'd have seen that he'd been stabbed 5 times. Well, 4 or 5 times. You'd have seen on his body. And why you didn't see on the face. And then to drag the guy on the floor, handcuffed behind his back, barely breathing, begging for air. Wow. Sounds like torture to me. From Keir Starmer's queer, leftist, political police puppets. Because that's what you are. You ain't police. You don't even know the fucking law. You still don't know the law today. I've won every case against you motherfuckers. Because you're committing fraud, treason, uttering, criminal conversion, malfeasance and misconduct in the public office, and treason, and many more. And now add murder to the list. What the fuck is wrong with you pigs? Absolute fucking subhuman scum. And believe you me, the people are coming for fucking all of you. The police, the criminal chief inspectors, the hierarchy, and the government. Absolute fucking terrorists, criminals, murderers, scumbags. It's a good job they're emptying the jails out, because you lot are going in there. Absolutely fucking disgusting. You make me sick. Absolutely fucking sick.